I have belted this elaborate, amazing rock star. Well, it could be like worn as a dress, but it's a top, and you just poke your arms through the holes on the side, and it's gold and black chiffon. It's made by a very unusual, rare to find label. And look at this fabric. Ooh, I know, it rocks. Definitely rocks. Sorry. Okay. So, it is fabulous. So I belted it here because if it were me, I'd wear it as a dress with belt and maybe with leggings, you know? And some kind of like little maybe spaghetti strap, maybe slip top, like a black slip top under it. So now I'm going to unbelt it so you can see what it looks like that. Okay, so here's what the top looks like when it's not belted, and then turning it to the front. So, oh my gosh, I can see Stevie Nicks wearing this in the 70s. It's very versatile because you can even wear it with jeans. Oh, and look at these shoulder details. Very elaborate. Those are the holes right there where you stick your arms through. But yeah, like look at the ruching on the shoulder. You see that? Depending on where you measure it, I think from where I'm measuring it, it measures 37 in length on the back. I'm gonna glare. And then of course the bust is practically totally open. It's definitely